Just place this in vole tunnels, and they'll quickly leave your garden. These small rodents can seriously damage your plants overnight. Their presence is revealed by small holes in the ground, leading to underground tunnels. Let me show you some natural ways to keep them away effectively. A great and simple method is using fresh walnut leaves. Just insert them directly into the holes. They contain juglone, a compound that repels mammals. Black elder branches are also effective. As they decompose, they release prussic acid, which drives rodents away. You can also use items straight from your kitchen. Fresh garlic gives off a strong scent that voles avoid. Simply peel a head of garlic and place 1 clove into each hole. It's also worth pouring half a packet of ground cinnamon into the tunnels. Its strong aroma is a great repellent. If you don't have cinnamon, cayenne pepper works just as well. These are proven, natural methods to repel voles without using chemicals. Simple, affordable, and effective, and your garden will be safe again.